So for my other video, we went ahead and made lomi salmon. So these are just the extra parts. After we skin the fillet, we have the skin. It's all scaled and skinned. And we're going to make fried salmon skin. And then I took the belly part off. So we're going to cook that. And then the leftover fillet that I had left, I went ahead and cut them into little tiny steaks. About, what is that, a little 1/4 inch thick. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and season it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Coat it with a light coating of potato starch. I like potato starch. You can use cornstarch, you can use flour. I like potato starch, has a little crunch to the coat. So we're going to do that and then fry it. Okay, so we added a little bit of canola oil to the pan. You can use whatever oil you want, olive oil, vegetable oil. That's a little over medium. We went ahead and dusted the salmon steaks with cornstarch. We're going to shake off the residue and then put it in the pan. The thing about salmon, and because it's sliced not too thick, you want to make sure that you have a hot pan. You want to create a crispy outside, but you don't want to overcook the middle. It's going to cook really, really fast. See how it's cooking fast? So the one thing I learned about cooking over the years is that you really utilize all of your senses. Your sight, your sound. You notice that the sizzling kind of slowed down. Basically, it's time to flip. Can you hear that sizzle? As it's searing, the skin gets cooked. You want to listen for that sound. As soon as the sound starts quieting down, it's pretty much cooked. For the belly, just go ahead and dust it, shake it off, and then we want to put the skin side down. We want to get a nice crispy skin on this belly. This is my favorite part of the fish because it's the fattiest. Go figure. I just flipped it, and this is the skin side down that was frying. Here it sizzled. The salmon skin going into the pan. We're just going to fry it till it's crispy. The belly, the fillets, and the fried skin. The fried salmon skin. Looks like kakimochi. So when it comes out, I'll go ahead and sprinkle it with some salt. That's good stuff right there. When you go to the restaurants, you order fried salmon skin, they charge you $10. This is stuff you end up throwing away. You take your salmon home and you skin it. Good. Yummy. So I got a piece of the belly. Put a little soy sauce on it. This is good over, rice, chazuke, which is tea and rice, or people call it cha-cha rice. Look how moist that is. Yummers. Crispy skin on the underneath.